everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. My name is Charlotte. In today's video I am going to be cleaning around the house. Most things that I do today in this video are things that I do on a daily basis, but this right here is an example of the thing that I don't always do, which is take Ava's sheets off her bed. So I'm going to change those out. I do that about every week, and that mat is just a protection of the mattress. If she has an accident, she hasn't, but I always have it there just in case. And just making the bed, having fun with her. She's playing on the floor while I'm doing all the work. That is going to change, believe me. I'm going to show you a chore chart that I found on YouTube, actually. Another YouTuber, she does videos too, and she just did one, and it was about chore charts for her kids. Alright, so Ava's going to grab this bunch of laundry with her banana in her right hand and take it into the laundry room. I let her struggle and do that because she wanted to. Alright, so I'm going to start the laundry. This is the laundry detergent that I usually use, Arm & Hammer Sensitive Skin. Alright, back into Ava's room. I'm just showing you what it looks like after I pick up everything. I do this several times a day. This closet, I'm going to go in here and just declutter a couple things if I need to. I don't have much to do. Like, I don't have much to get rid of, but I went ahead and went through it because I am getting rid of some of their clothes here soon that they have grown out of. So again, I'm just going through everything, getting rid of the toys that are no longer good for them or useful and or don't play with anymore, and give them to someone else or throw away the ones that are no longer any good. If you'd like to, please follow me on my Instagram, CharCharGA. I'd be glad to have you. I'm on there almost daily. Now I'm just going ahead and throwing everything away. Not throwing it away, you know what I mean? Putting it away and struggling with taking this glass or paper off this glass. Okay, so just cleaning up some dishes here, cleaning out the drain, that thing's gross, and our K-cup, coffee, reusable things. I've been loving this candle lately. It's the Kitchen Spice by Yankee Candle. Kids are playing, and I'm about to pick up the couch. So I do this several times a day too. I just figured I'd show you what I do. We leave a blanket over our couch and our chair just because it's a light furniture, the texture of it. Alright, Asher finished his bottle, and I'm going to go ahead and clean that up now. I do use all natural products for my kids' areas, like all natural cleaners. Alright, so we're in my room now. I've already made the bed, and I've picked up the stuff on the floor or wherever that's misplaced, but I need to broom the floor and dust a little bit. So here's the daily chores chart. I have not filled it out yet. I just printed one off, and she recommended, I'm gonna leave her stuff linked down below and the printout as well if you're interested in that kind of thing, but she had it in a dry erase sheet, so you can use it daily or change it up daily. Does anybody else dry their wet clothes like this? So again, just brooming around the room. And now I'm going to be dusting. This area tends to get really dusty really fast. And by no means am I doing this perfectly. I don't have time for that. Like maybe if I didn't have kids, I would do every single spot and make sure it's nice and clean. But you know what? You give what you can take and take what you can get, you know? Okay, so we're in Asher's room now. Here he is. Both kids are dressed for the day now. And I'm going to clean up in his room. I've got his pajamas. He's been playing up here with his letters. And a dirty diaper I need to get rid of. And if you like this kind of video, please let me know by commenting down below. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you. That really boosts my morale and helps me understand that people like my videos. And you can also press the like button here on this video. Everything is free and I'd really appreciate it. So now we're on to the breakfast table. We do this, oh my gosh, I swear my kids eat all the time. All the time. So I'm constantly in and out of the kitchen, getting food, cleaning dishes, you know, the whole 9 yards. So now I'm going to be cleaning up his room. We're just bouncing back into there before cleaning up the table. I'm grabbing a sheet, a fitted sheet from underneath the bed. I leave some diapers down there too. Okay, so we're back at the breakfast table. I'm just going to load this tray up, take everything into the kitchen. Throw away what needs thrown away. And clean what needs to be clean, yet again. Again, 3 times plus. I do this a day. Loading the dishwasher a little bit. I did start it that day. And Asher's always waiting for me. He's been kind of clingy lately. Cleaning his high chair. We use this high chair for our firstborn too. It's held up really nicely. I can leave a link down below. Just cleaning the surface with the Mrs. Meyer's Lavender all-purpose spray. Love this stuff. It smells wonderful. I will always repurchase this one. And a microfiber cloth. Brimming up all the mess that Asher made. And switching over the laundry. I also use the Mrs. Meyer's laundry sheets. They're really good. I really like these, but I don't notice them as much on my clothes, but I do like them. So that's everything I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you would like to. Feel free to follow me on my Instagram, ChoreGA, and I will see you in the next one, which will probably be, I'm thinking, a vlog. So see you next time.